Hey guys, what's up? So instead of showing you a flight video, I'd show you what I've been more into doing here today and I guess past couple days. So today we went ahead and we got this one going. It's the Iflight Zadora Technique FPVs. We got the Joshua Bardwell QAV. This thing's sweet, nice frame, kind of reminds me of the Apex. So we put a took a 20x20 Iflight stack that was acting weird as heck out of it, put in a F405 Diatone Mamba, got everything soldered up. We just got to connect to the DJI and go ahead and maiden that. Same thing here is we got to connect to the DJI and maiden it. This one we took out the hack ESC 30x30 and put in the Iflight 20x20 stack in that one. This one here was a GEP-RC Mark V. We went ahead and ripped that apart. That had some bad like vibrations and stuff going on and some noise, so we went ahead and took all that apart and went ahead and built this. This is the Gank, if you guys didn't notice it already. This is the Mutiny V2 prototype. Really nice frame. I've been running it, as you can see, beating the crap out of it. And then I got sent this. Matt went and hooked me up, sent me one of these in. Thanked me for hustling his frames. This is going to be really fun. This is the Nemesis HD 3-inch. So we're going to go ahead and build that thing out. And then as you can see, I'm pretty busy. Work table's kind of messy. So over here we got a Todd McClure FPVs build going on. We're going to build the Roma F5 Digi unit. Get it done. We got some Emax Eco motors in there. Got the Diatone Mamba F405. They're coming in a nice, cool little case now. I really like that case. Of course, now the prices went up on them, so I guess they had to step something up. Then we got Shane stuff over. I got to stop and think of the names. I got so much stuff going on. I got Shane's builds going on there. We got an ET5 being built. I'm gonna customize it. But I would do if it was mine. Gonna get that thing up and running, and then I have a Beta FPV twig that we're gonna do the same thing to. We're gonna beef it up and get it thing hopping. Something that could take a more hit to the ground than them just boards they put in those things. But anyway, I just wanted to share a little bit about what I've been into and doing. As you know, I got a new printer, so I got that thing dialed in. I actually did all the prints off of that printer with this here. That's all on here, so I really can't complain considering that. So this is, these prints on here is what Matt did on his printer, so they're looking just as clean. Sorry, like I said, I just wanted to share what I was doing instead of a flight video. We'll give you a little bit of stuff what we're doing here on the bench. This one's just about done. We just got to solder and some motor wires, and that's it. We'll take pretty much all three of these out and maiden them tomorrow, hopefully. This one's got the gold bling zings on it. So yeah, so we'll catch you guys on the next one. And remember, send it, fly, have fun, rebuild it. That's what it's all about. Catch you guys on the next one.